Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin using Cash App. So sending Bitcoin on Cash App allows you to transfer crypto to another user or an external wallet quickly and super easily. This video is going to be perfect for anyone who uses Cash App for Bitcoin transaction and wants to send crypto securely and quickly. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to send Bitcoin on Cash App. So like I said, this video is going to be super simple and super quick. So step number one is go to the Cash App wherever that is on your phone. You can find it on your home screen, or you can do what I did, just swipe down, type in Cash App, and it'll pop right up. So you'll have your home screen like I do. I have no money in here. So you could be a brokey like me, or you're actually not. You're sending money. That's why you're here in the first place. But you'll scroll down to Bitcoin, and like I said, you'll see your balance. And what you want to focus on is actually in the top right corner. It's going to be this little QR code symbol. And the best and fastest way to do it is to just scan the person's QR code to send the crypto to them. And that's really it. Now, if there is an address, you can just have them text it to you. You copy the address, and then you just hit the paste address button that you see at the bottom of the screen. But yeah, that's really it. Now that we have the tutorial out of the way, here are some very important tips to consider. Tip number one is to make sure you have enough Bitcoin in your Cash App balance before sending. The second tip I have is to double check the recipient's wallet address, as crypto transactions are irreversible. The final tip I have is to be aware of any transaction fees before confirming your transfer. And with those tips out of the way, that's all I have for you on this video. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like. Also, be sure to share this video with a family member or a friend or anyone you think that this video will be helpful to. But most importantly, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And yeah, with all of that said, I hope you guys have a great day and peace out.